there! Welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Today, we are going to be learning how to log out a Free Fire game using your Android or iOS tablets and mobile devices. This video works for both, so let's get started. First of all, launch open Free Fire game on your device and from the main lobby screen, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. Now, this will open up the settings menu where you need to find the logout button. The logout button or the exit button is at the bottom left, this one over here. Tap on it and select whether you would like to log out of the current account or log out from all devices that are logged in to Free Fire with. Choose any one option that you want and click on Logout. Tapping on Logout will immediately log you out of your game and you'll be redirected to the main welcome screen. You can always log back in with your Facebook account, VKID, Google, or X. If you don't want to log in, you can also play as a guest by picking the guest option. So that's it. That's how you easily log out of Free Fire, whether you are switching accounts, fixing login issues, or playing on a shared device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned till then.